Hello everyone, welcome to Rankers List. So as the GDPI dates for MSc Finance are out and you have exactly 15 days from today. So it's between a crucial time. So our crash course for JBMS MSc Finance is being launched. You can see you can apply for a very amazing discount course that is a 500 rupees discount and the fees will be 750 rupees. Okay. And the crash course will be taken by officers from RBI and JBMS AIR-2. So you have experts from the industry. So don't you have proper experts from the industry and JB also. Okay. Like who have already cracked JB. Now you can see what you are giving in the course. This is 2024 results. Ami and Tejas. They are the current students of JBMS MSc Finance. Okay. Now you can see until and unless you only those experts can guide you who have already guided a lot of students and they have expertise in the industry, and because industry experts are going to take your interview, now not students from the JB. Okay, so industry experts, they are having a lot of views, like lot of, they have taken a lot of interviews, they have a lot of ideas about the things that are happening in the industry, everything. So they are actually going to check you whether you are actually fit for the program or not, or you are just coming for a JB brand for a good package. And this time the condition is like, because of the AI and the placement scenario has been little bit, condition is little bit not good because of the AI, entry of the AI and all. So automation and all. Okay. So they will be very much particular this time to take. That's why the reason is this time they have given the calls, the 400 people, they have received calls. So definitely the profile of everyone is something or other, means something or other, it is unique. So that's the reason they have given, because they don't want to take, like, even I'm telling you 99.7 people are rejected, and but 98 people, 97 people have got the interview calls. The reason behind that is CET doesn't have much of importance in this process. Only 36% is for CET. Okay, so like 36%. Okay, now next, going to your like for the our course. Now this is a crash course. You can see pattern we given. Like this is our, we will give you proper feedback, proper guidance for the PI, because every PI is unique and it will be taken by officers from RBI, experts from RBI, because we know what like actually is needed, but they will test you how, because they will be very particular about taking this time and selecting this time, because they don't want, their industry situation is not good, so they want placement anyhow, or because they don't want to tamper their image. Okay, so that's why they will be very selective in taking this time. Okay, now you're like it's along with the reservation and everything. Okay, now so you to build the perfect SOP, here, like you can see the answers for the PI, you will be giving particular rigorous one-to-one mentorship for the PI, and individual PI will happen and will tell you what to read, what not to read, what to focus, how to tell the story, how to handle the interview, everything. Like you will, like literally, like we'll be grilling you on the all parts of the things they can attack you, so that you don't feel anything really clearly shocking at the last day, the day. Okay. So you will be already grilled before going to them. So you will you will be feeling very much comfortable. Okay. Now you will see group activities, practice stations, and a lot of topics are also repeated. You will have one-to-one mentorship. Okay, what also you can see the contents here. You can see the contents here. So we have given you Brahmastra finance notes. Okay, finance notes. Again, GD topics. I have particularly given GD topics. Again, what topics are also given. Now you can see that these are the classes. Classes are previously held and the recording has been given. Means those means we have live system. We always have live classes. We don't have recorded classes. If anyone fails to attend the live classes, then that classes will be put in the portal. Okay. Latest GD topics. What topics? So what topics? Random topics can come. So high probability topics we have already given you. Okay. So you can see here the faculties are this faculty are of this profile. Okay, and we are producing outstanding results since last 4 years. Okay, so don't get that preconceived notion that if you only just read the basics, you're going to sell through. No, they are going to grill you, man. They are not going. They are going to grill you literally. They're going to, if until and unless you're damn lucky or something else, that's a different scenario. But they are going to grill you. Okay, if they are really interested about taking you, they will definitely grill you. Okay. And even if, like, let's say your profile, you are justifying the answers, then in that case, justifying the answers that are being asked by them, then in that case, grilling may not be there. Okay. So these are the things, sample like lot of practice of relevant group activity topics. So till the process is completed, we'll give you support. Okay. So, and the crash course is starting from today onwards. Okay. Don't miss these 14 days. You literally, believe me, this 14 days will literally decide whether we are going to enter into JBMS MSc Finance or not. And this is the, as the fees are very low, placements are decent enough. Okay. So try to grab the opportunity. Don't waste time. My best wishes with all of you. Thank you.